Hello everyone. So this is the actual situation of our kitchen, guys. So let's clean this. Hello everyone, Jubi May here and welcome back to my channel. Today's video, guys, is about cook and clean with me. After breakfast this morning, I loaded the dishwasher and now I'm unloading it.
Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying.
And now I'm going to bring these bowls to the cabinet where they belong.
I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight.
And now it's time to load the dishwasher again, guys. Yes, the kitchen task is never ending. Loading and unloading the dishwasher, cooking, cleaning. Yes, so that's life. So I am doing two things at the same time, guys. I am cooking and also doing the dishes. I don't put my Tupperwares or any plastic type into the dishwasher, even if they are dishwasher safe. I prefer to wash them by hands.
At least it was worth the try.
So like I said, guys, I am doing two things at the same time, and now I am peeling the carrots and now chopping it, and also now cutting the cabbage, and then after that taking out the tips of the green beans and cutting also.
Well, we fell apart just in time. Ooh, you say at least it was worth the try. At least it was worth the try. At least it was worth the try.
So guys, this is our viand for today's lunch. Yes, kain tayo. So after lunch, guys, it's time to finish doing the dishes. And now guys, I am washing the water bottles and one milk bottle of Lakota. So here is the before of the kitchen guys. As you can see, it is so messy. And now this is the after cleaning, after cooking, and now everything is in order. Yes, it is so satisfying looking at this clean and everything is in order. Thank you so much guys for watching. Please give this a thumbs up if you enjoyed. Please subscribe if you haven't yet, and hope to see you again in the next one. Bye guys.